Cumber from Cabinet Expressions.
Liam O'Connor from Cabinet Expressions. So today's event was great. Learned a lot about kind of how to optimize the way we use Cabinet Vision. Lots of small things that we've kind of just been not using or utilizing that really will be able to kind of tweak the machine and make it run a bit faster, get our production a little better.
It's very user-friendly and easy to learn. It's like a CAD-based program, so a lot of designers already have AutoCAD experience, so it's easy to implement them into that program.
So we have an SCM 5-axis, 3-axis cable, as well as a Stefani edge bender, which are all new. And they're very accurate machines, so can really produce quickly. We have an in-feed and out-feed table on our CNCs, so our shop flows fast, effectively, it's nice.
We have an edge bender, and it's definitely helped with the efficiencies and the quality of the work for sure. I really like the group collaborations. The support team and the techs are fantastic to postpone with. To put a face to them is fantastic. I believe Planet Canada has done a really good job with their whole team and help and support. And this is a great collaboration altogether.